In a world that screams for attention, silence is not just rare, it's revolutionary. But what if I tell you silence is not the absence of sound, but the presence of something far more powerful? When people ask me what I have achieved being a meditator, I say silence. And their reaction? That's it. Like they're expecting me to unlock some secret superpowers or start floating midair. But mind you, this is the kind of silence that cuts through all the noise, all the nonsense, and shows you exactly who you are. Silence is not about just shutting the noise around you. It is about turning down the volume of your mind. It is that moment when the endless chatter in your head finally takes a break. But what to do? We are so used to filling every gap with noise, music, TV, podcast, and the constant scrolling on our phones. We have forgotten the power of silence completely. Most of us think silence is the calm between two noises, like the quiet after the chaos of a busy day. But true silence, the silence that meditation brings, is not just the absence of sound. It is the space where everything fades away. Your worries, your thoughts, and your very sense of self. It is the space where you connect with something which is far beyond what you can see or touch. Sadhguru says silence is a space beyond creation and creator, beyond life and death. As you practice silence, you shall become silence. Silence is a place where the endless rah, the constant chase for more, the need to prove yourself, it all starts to seem kind of silly. And the funniest part is, you realize that the peace you have been searching for was never in that new job, that new car, or that perfect Instagram post. It was right here, within you, all along. But let me tell you, getting to this silence is not easy. In a 2014 experiment published in Science, 55 participants were asked to sit alone in a quiet room for 6 to 15 minutes with nothing to do. They were given a button that would deliver an electric shock to their ankle if they wanted to. The result showed that 67% of men and 25% of women chose to shock themselves instead of sitting quietly. The researchers concluded that being alone with their thoughts was so unpleasant that it drove many participants to self-administer the shock. The research team suggested that meditation or other techniques to relax and learn to control the mind could be helpful. It is not like you just sit for 5 minutes once in a while and suddenly all your worries disappear. No, this silence asks you to face the uncomfortable, the fears, the insecurities, the what will people say thoughts. But once you do, you find a freedom that is hard to describe but feels incredible. So, how to practice silence? Start by spending some me time without your phones. Or you can try some simple meditation practices like Isha Kriya, Chitta Shakti meditation, which are available free on YouTube and on Sadhguru app. When Sadhguru says, as you practice silence, you shall become silence, he is not talking about just one practice. He is talking about a journey. The only question is, are you ready to take that journey? So, the moral of the story is, to understand silence, you have to practice silence. And to practice silence, you have to understand silence. Understood? Why are you silent? Let me know in the comment sections what is your definition of silence. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press that bell icon. See you in the next video. Namaskaram.